We are in Boracay. But before we get to the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. So for today's video, we will be reviewing a hotel in Boracay that we are staying in. It's called Soleil De Boracay. How we got here from the airport, nag-avail kami ng airport transfer for our easy transportation going to our hotel. The good thing about availing the airport transfer is for your convenience. For us, it's very convenient, especially for the first-timer or for the tourist. Kasi upon arrival, merong sumalubong sa amin at dinala kaagad kami doon sa van. Tapos, umalis kaagad kami papunta doon sa port. Upon arriving at the port, they ask for our health declaration and a valid ID. Pagbaba din namin ng boat, meron na lang another van going to the hotel. Upon entering in reception area, it's not really that grand, pero malinis naman kahit papaano. At nasa harap din yung kanilang restaurants where we're going to eat our breakfast tomorrow. So the restaurant is okay lang, simple, nothing fancy, you know. Their pool is behind this building. So opposite siya ng beach. We got our room with a balcony. The balcony facing the beach. So it's very good here. So, Soleil De Boracay has 77 rooms. So, makakapili kayo ranging from their deluxe, which is yung pinakamura nila, at saka, syempre, yung ambassador suite nila na, syempre, pinakamahal. Ayan. So, try natin kung malambot siya. Sarap matulog dito. Mas gusto ko rin yung bed na hindi ganun hindi masyadong nakalubog yung buong katawan mo. This one's fine with me. And what matters the most is that the bed is clean. So we got this room for 6,000 pesos per night. Other than that, they have this CR. See it for yourself if it fits your taste. But it's actually very clean. And ito, yung mga nila, they have kettle for coffee. Okay, you can put your luggage here para hindi kalat yung sa labas. Ito naman yung mini fridge nila. Or let's check out their pool also. See if it's nice or not. Kasi sometimes, even if you are on the beach, you sometimes feel like going to the pool. Kaya, let's go and check it out. So yan, check muna natin yung pool nila.
gising lang namin. Siyempre, pag nandito ka, bawal ang tulog-tulog. Dapat enjoy mo yung every moment. So, konti lang yung tulog. But then, yung bed naman nila, comfortable naman siya. Yung aircon nila, hindi naman yung aircon kasi nila, hindi siya bago. Pero yung temperature nila, okay naman siya. Siguro nasa mga 20 degrees. Kasi medyo malaki yung room nila eh. Kumbaga, parang hindi siguro masyado nagsisirculate. Pero malamig naman siya in some part of the room. Yung naman nila, shower, hot and cold shower. Nothing really fancy, but everything is functioning. Walang reklamo during this day na, bakit ganito, bakit ganito. So, good. So, ayan guys. Kain na muna tayo. Ito yung breakfast nila. This is Aklanon Stapa. You can order your breakfast upon checking in. Try natin yung beef nila. Tamis siya guys. Siguro kailangan mong dito, sausaw sa suka para mag-complement to each other, para hindi lang tamis. Masarap yung suka nila. Sarap siya. Yung meat, tender siya. Parang siya eh, parang bata pa yung meat nila eh. Guys, tapos na po tayo sa ating hotel review, and for our next episode, we will be doing island hopping or beach activities. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. Bye-bye! The name of the hotel is La Soleil.
Rolling?
So other than that, this is what they have. Okay, wait. Ayun guys, ito po ang inyong scene of the crime operative.